You walk a queen, you always keep it G.
So a couple of days ago, Kim K went viral for this Balenciaga look, y'all. So we will be recreating the purse. If you want to see how I recreated this purse, and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well for more content. So yeah, this is how the purse looks. And we're going to get into this DIY. So just continue to keep on watching if you. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how my packing tape arrived from Sticker Mule. So excuse the box because I just had to rip it open. It literally just came today. Today is currently March the 15th. I forgot when I ordered this, but the shipping was actually not bad. I mean, it did not take that long. So yeah, it has mulesauce.com, but it's stickermule.com. If you don't know about Sticker Mule, they're a really good company. Like if you have a business and you want like custom packing tape, you want like custom stickers like for your business, this is like a really good company to receive like custom packaging supplies for your business. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is what I ordered. So basically I ordered custom packing tape, you guys, because I believe the original Balenciaga tape, it was like literally like duct tape, y'all, and I did not know where to find custom duct tape or whatever. So this was like the closest thing I could find. So yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. This looks legit, and this is how thick it came. I'll have to insert the dimensions basically, but I feel like their packing tape comes in like one size, honestly. So, but I'll try to leave it in the description box below. But this is what it looks like, and it's a lot of it. I do plan on using this as well for like another DIYs. But it's gonna be like home decor related. So if you're into that type of content, then definitely make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I do upload new DIYs. So yeah, this is very exciting. So this actually came in this plastic bag, y'all, but I took it out because I could not wait to like open this up. So I opened it up like off camera. But yeah, I just want to show you guys like what it looks like when it comes in. And then they have like this custom things here from Sticker Mule. So I believe they actually sell this stuff, y'all, but of course they use like their own logo. But it's super cute. Like if you have a small business and you want it to be like more custom or like personalized, I would definitely order off a Sticker Mule. Like seriously, I'm trying to pull out this sticker that is really, really cute. So yeah, here it is. They actually have two in here, but isn't this really, really cute? So it came in the box, and then this one right here, so it says Sticker Mule. And y'all, this is not sponsored. I mean, I wish it was, but like I'm just gonna speak it into existence, okay, that I'm gonna have a paid sponsorship from a company, okay, on this channel. So yeah, stickermule.com, y'all. I would definitely check them out. But yeah, let's get into this DIY, y'all. I'm gonna have to show you guys how I actually was able to get this design basically, because you would have to create your own so that you can upload it onto stickermule.com. So yeah, I'll just show you guys that really quick on my phone. It's super simple, y'all. But yeah, okay, so this is the purse that I'm going to be using for this DIY, you guys. I got this purse from off of shein.com like last summer sometime, but it's like a fairly small purse. I really don't wear it that often, and it did come with a strap as well, but I am going to be removing the strap and just going to be wrapping up this purse here. So yeah, this is the purse. I forgot how much it was, and I would try to leave the link, y'all, but this is like last summer on Shein, but they do have a lot of options for like small purses. So yeah. Next, I'm going to show you guys how I made the design. So I went into my Canva app and I typed in Facebook cover, or you can type in banner as well. You just need it to be like a certain type of width, but it doesn't really have to be like a certain dimension, basically, if that makes sense. Like you can already use what Canva has to offer. I did choose the blank option as well instead of a template, and I did click on the yellow, but you do have to go in and kind of like brighten up the yellow to make it look like that duct tape yellow. So the font that I did use is called It's Time to Celebrate, and I felt like that middle the middle font of that is like the perfect font for the Balenciaga. Looking back on this, I should have like spaced it out just a little bit, y'all, but I feel like this is pretty good. So yeah, this is how I had made the design, because you need to create some type of design to send over to Sticker Mule so that it can print it out. And this is how I made it. So that high fashion song had came on as soon as I started this DIY. I was like, how perfect. So this is just me taking off the strap from the purse. And I had to clean out the purse as well. I didn't know something was in it, but yeah, it was like a penny and a receipt. So that's what the inside of the purse looks like. I didn't do anything to the inside of the purse, but of course it's definitely optional. So this is me just getting ready to like start wrapping the purse. So I know I wanted to start with the handles, like the purse handle. And originally, like, you're supposed to wet the back side of the packing tape. And like, this is my first time ever using packing tape, y'all. So I didn't even know that you were supposed to do that. But I ended up not even needing this because the glue was not strong enough to wrap up the whole purse. But I was able to wrap up the handle part because it's very small from using this method or whatever, but that glue is definitely not durable enough to be holding on to like a purse or whatever. So yeah, this is me. This is like before I found out that, hey, I can't do this whole DIY with like a sponge and a bowl of water and some packing tape. So yeah, I found that out like really quick. But yeah, this is how you're supposed to like wet the packing tape or whatever. And this is me starting to wrap up the handle as well. So the handle part came out really good, y'all. I mean, it's like really self-explanatory. It's just like as if you were actually duct taping or like wrapping up kind of like a present, I guess you can say, but it's really no wrong way to do it as well because you are working with like tape. So yeah, this is me wrapping up the handle part. I didn't film the whole part, y'all, because it's like really no need to show that, but you have to really make sure it's pressed down basically. And I was like kind of squeezing it a little bit. So yeah, this is where I really found out that I'm gonna need something very adhesive. Basically, I need some type of adhesive, and I did not have any like at home. So I had originally cut off a piece of the tape to where, because I was like kind of measuring as well, and I was just trying it out just to see like, is this part really going to be that sticky? But yeah, it turns out it's not. So yeah, this part is just kind of like me not really realizing what I'm doing basically. So and this is where I had found out too that the glue was like peeling off. It was like rolling up or whatever. So yeah, so right here, I'm just trying to figure out like where to place the tape. But of course, because the way the design is made, it's kind of like it's not really like an even surface basically. So of course there would be some type of like lumps or whatever in spaces, but I ended up covering those up later on. But yeah, this is like where I really found out that I'm going to need some type of glue. And so I ended up having to leave like in the middle of this DIY actually. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys what I ended up picking up, because basically I just typed up like what's the best spray adhesive. And of course, Gorilla Glue spray adhesive had showed up. I didn't know that they had this, but I actually found it at Home Depot. So that was really good, because that was like very convenient for me. I just went to Home Depot like on my way back home, and then I came back home to finish the DIY, y'all, and this is where I was able to finish it. So basically, just like a tip, if you do use this spray adhesive, it actually says it on the directions, y'all. That's why it's like really important to read the directions, because I was just spraying it on, you know, the tape or whatever, but you have to spray both surfaces. So later on in the video, you'll see where I was spraying the purse, but also too, I was spraying like the back of the tape where it would be on the purse, basically, if that makes sense. So if you want like a really, really strong hold, do that. So yeah, this is just me placing the tape on the purse. I didn't go for like a specific design, y'all, because the original Balenciaga duct tape purse, y'all, I mean, it didn't really have, it literally looked like somebody's child had like, you know, duct tape a purse. It was not perfect at all. So yeah, I wasn't striving to be perfect with this DIY. I just wanted to go for that look, that same type of look with this purse. So yeah. So basically at this point, I was just kind of like measuring, cutting, also to like gluing the tape down onto the purse. And I wanted it to really, really look like it was wrapped up in duct tape. So like the bottom part of this as well, I kind of just like measured out the space on the purse, like the bottom of the purse, and then cut off the tape and just glued it on. But of course, I forgot to even mention that I had to wear gloves during this DIY, y'all, because that spray adhesive, listen, you have to like cover up your hands. And also too, it says that it may, like, it could like irritate your skin. So yeah, I was like, let me just be on the safe side, y'all, because I don't want to be like Gorilla. You know that girl from TikTok, she used it as like a hairspray, y'all. Listen, that stuff is super strong too, but it was creating some type of like film as well, y'all. I don't know what that stuff is made out of, but like if you want something to really, really stick, definitely use that, because like it's still holding up to the next day. But yeah, this is where I'm showing you where I'm kind of like covering up the rest of the purse handle. So basically I just cut off little pieces of the yellow parts of the tape just to make it look like it's really wrapped up. So yeah, this is me spraying on the purse, and then this is where, yeah, I had sprayed on the back of the tape as well. If you want like a really, really strong adhesive, and it dries like pretty fast too, y'all. It's almost like super glue in a spray can, which is crazy. Like, I really want to try other DIYs with this spray just to see how it really, really works. But yeah, this is me just spraying on, or like just putting on the tape onto the purse. So I did go for like a more like horizontal design, but then I did want to do some pieces as if it's like kind of like mixed match, if that makes sense. And then you see how those pieces are like hanging off. I just decided to go ahead and cut those off. So I did have to do some trimming as well to this part. So I didn't really mind the trimming part. It really wasn't that much to trim off. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And that tape had got like super hard too, y'all. That spray is like no joke. So this is where I'm doing the front part. At first, y'all, I was honestly just gonna be lazy and just like cover this whole part up. But I was like, you know what, let me put my DIY skills to the test. And I pulled out my X-Acto knife, which I actually got from the Dollar Tree, y'all, and it was like brand new. I have had it for a while, but I just never used it. But because I do like DIY stuff, sometimes I'll just pick stuff up and then I'll use it later on in my life or whatever. So yeah, this is me just going around the part of the purse where you have to clamp it in. That part is actually, it's like metal, but it also too, it was like a magnet type of situation too. So I sprayed it onto the purse and I was making sure I did not touch the metal part. But I was trying to get like really close to the metal part, if that makes sense, just so it can look really, really seamless. And I also did the same thing on the other side where you see that flat part of the purse. And then this is me wrapping up the sides. I actually covered up the metal piece that where the hooks were, well, where the strap was at. So yeah, I just covered those up. So yeah, this is the finished purse, y'all. I was thinking about going in and doing some like, you know, hemming or whatever, but I really like how it came out. It's super cute. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well at Queen Z with 3 E's. And if you definitely enjoyed this DIY, if you want to create this look, definitely tag me on Instagram. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe as well for more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.